So you want to know how to translate and dub a video with Vizard, and honestly, this tool makes the whole process way less painful than you might expect. First, you simply click into the platform and select the translate or dub option to get started. You can either upload your own video file directly or just paste a link to the content you want to transform. Once your video is uploaded, Vizard asks you a few sensible questions like whether you want automatic transcription or specific subtitle extraction. You can also choose your target language and even add a bit of context so the AI understands the tone or the purpose of your video. After a couple of minutes, you get a full transcription with timestamps and perfectly translated subtitles ready for review. The user interface allows you to see original and translated lines side by side, so you can manually tweak anything that isn't quite perfect. If you are dubbing, there is a fantastic lip sync option that helps the visuals and the new audio track feel much more natural. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can export your video with burned-in subtitles, separate SRT files, or the finished dubbed audio track. For creators working in multiple languages, this workflow saves hours of copying, pasting, and manually matching timestamps. Now let's talk about how to turn those long-form videos into viral shorts using Vizard's powerful automated workflow. You simply pick the long to shorts workflow, and the AI will automatically scan your video for the moments that really matter. It identifies punchlines, emotional peaks, and the parts where an audience is most likely to stop scrolling and actually watch. You can even choose from various templates, whether you want an interview style, energetic social media cuts, or a podcast highlight format. The AI returns several short candidates, each with a score and suggested tags that match the overall vibe of your clip. It even offers edits that follow the speaker smoothly, cropping and zooming in ways that feel intentional rather than robotic. Keep in mind that auto editors aren't magic, so they work best when your source material is clean, like interviews or talking head content. If your footage is chaotic, like gaming streams or multi-camera shoots, you might need to do a little more manual tweaking to get the result you want. Moving on to scheduling, one feature I absolutely love is the auto schedule, which lets you queue up and publish clips without having to babysit the process. You just tell Vizard how often you want new posts to go live, link your social accounts, and let the tool handle the rest. The content calendar is the true MVP here, allowing you to drag clips around and reschedule a whole week of posts in one place. This saves you from constantly swapping tabs between your editor, YouTube Studio, or TikTok, making you much more consistent. When it comes to money, Vizard's pricing is competitive and realistic, offering tiered plans based on how much video you need to process. Whether you are a solo creator or running a small agency, there is a plan that gives you the hours and export options you need. When compared to other tools, Vizard really hits the sweet spot between advanced power and user-friendly design. It gives you enough control to customize your output, unlike some of the other black box editors where you have no say in how the clips are cut. The content calendar and auto schedule combo is something most competitors simply don't nail as well as Vizard does. One honest criticism is that processing limits can feel a bit restrictive if you are churning out hours of long-form content every single week. However, those trade-offs are fair, and the team is constantly updating their AI and templates based on user feedback. A great tip for scaling is to use the auto edit to make 5 to 10 solid short candidates, then curate and tweak the top 2 or 3 yourself. This strategy maximizes your chances of a viral hit while keeping your workload manageable. The tag and thumbnail suggestions are also surprisingly helpful, and they really jumpstart your SEO and discovery process. Team collaboration is equally smooth, allowing you to assign clips for review within the calendar, which prevents last-minute panic. Bottom line, I'm really into Vizard because it is an automatic editor that doesn't feel like it's dumbed down for beginners. It's smart about the content it handles best. It integrates essential scheduling features, and it lets you add that necessary human touch. If you want to try it, just upload a clear talking head video and see what the AI pulls from your existing content. You might actually be surprised by how many hidden gems are sitting inside your long-form videos right now. Vizard won't replace a pro editor for high-end cinematic work, but for volume and consistency, it's one of the best toolsets I've ever used. Go give it a try today and see if it can streamline your production workflow.